How to block YouTube channels. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to block YouTube channels. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, we'll launch YouTube application on your device. Make sure that you logged into your account with the credentials. Go ahead and tap on Home and choose a particular video from a channel which you want to block on YouTube. Suppose if this is the video, tap on three dots of this particular video on this channel and tap Not Interested. Also, you can even tap on three dots and select Don't Recommend Channel. Just now it has hidden the channel's content from your home feed. To block a channel from interacting with you, simply visit the channel's page by tapping on the particular video. Tap on this particular channel's profile and select three dots at top right. From this menu bar, select Hide Users from my channel. Tap Hide User and this will prevent the channel from commenting, subscribing or interacting with your content. So that's it. Blocking YouTube channel is quick and easy. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.